I have a problem with my bicycle saddle. The saddle drops down during use. After riding for 5 to 10 minutes, the saddle drops down a lot. I remove the saddle. You see a lot of rust. It needs to be removed with sandpaper. I cleaned the saddle tube to a shine. Now you need to clean the rust from the inner walls of the bicycle frame tube. I clean it with a piece of sandpaper.
Before watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and we continue.
I remove the clamp. Pay attention to the integrity of the thread. If the thread is stripped, it needs to be replaced with a new one. In my case, the thread is intact. In the first case, a narrow file will help solve the problem. It is necessary to file between the two antennae of the clamp. By filing between the two antennae, the clamp will be more effective, since there will be more gripping space. In the second case, you can just take a tin can from beer and cut it off. I cut it with scissors like this. Now I measure the circumference of the tube and cut it carefully. Now I wind this tin along the saddle tube. Now I put the saddle with the tin into the hole in the bicycle frame. I have already put it on. Now I tighten the clamp screw with pliers until it stops. Now I clamp the clamp handle. This is how I did it. Now the saddle holds tightly and does not slide down while riding. I try to rotate the saddle. The saddle does not rotate. That's all. If you like the video, put likes and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss a new video. Until next time.